In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get secret generals in Stick War 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow step by step. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly unlock the secret generals. So, I'm gonna showcase this on a proving grounds because it's easier for me to record. So, when you go over to your deck and you choose the option to change the units, you will be able to scroll all the way down and browse through all of the units available. So you can see their categories over here, right underneath their names. If you scroll down and you take a look at the 6 last units, what you will notice is that all of them have the general category. So right here, they are labeled as generals. So you have Arcus, Atrios, Spiros, Thera, King Zarek, and finally Marokai. And these are going to be the generals, so you can tap on them to see the category here, and then you have all of the other stats. So you have the health, the time they take, and so on. You can browse and find one that you think is the best, and to see how you unlock them, all that you have to do is read here. So as you can see, for example, Atreus requires the Enchanted Pike. For Spiros, it also requires the Enchanted Pike and so on, so you just have to browse through any of these. To actually see the specific progression that you have to unlock, just tap on this lock icon and you are going to see the specific one required immediately. So on this example here, Arcus requires the Warrior Strap. To get this, you will have to go down and get all of the previous requirements. So in this example, to get Arcus, you need this one, and to get this one, you need the Vault of Prudence. To get this one, you need the Mining Engineer. To get this one, you need the Miner Upgrade, and finally, the Enslaved Miner. So in this example, you just have to keep climbing up according to these objectives. So as you can see here, I have the Sickle Wrath, which is the default unit. If you tap any of the subsequent units here, you are going to get instructions. So for me to unlock the Enslaved Miner and progress until I get to the generals, first I'm gonna have to get one multiplayer win with Sickle Wrath. Once this is done, I just have to tap on this one and see the requirements for this miner upgrade. After this is done, I need to see the requirements for this one and so on, and eventually I'll be able to unlock the general that I chose. Alternatively, you can also skip unlocks by tapping on them and using these gems, but this is all you have to do. Just look through the requirements and you will find how to unlock them. I hope I was able to help you on how to get secret generals in Stick War 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.